In this video, I will show you how you can download YouTube videos. Now, there could be a number of reasons why you want to download YouTube videos. Perhaps you want to download to back up your own videos, or perhaps you want to download so that you can save it to your computer and watch it later on. Okay, so if you open up the YouTube web page, and let's say you are browsing one of the videos and you want to download it, click on your profile icon at the top and we go to YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, click on Content, and in the list of videos, click on the More button and then click on Download. In here, it will start to download the videos, and after that, you can click on the link to open up, and here we can watch the videos. And so that is one of the way how you can download the video to your computer. Now, if you want to download other people's video, so let's say I want to watch this video here on YouTube and I want to download it. So while watching, you can click on the download button here. So click on the More button at the bottom, then click on Download. Now, in order for you to download other people's video, you need to subscribe to a premium service in YouTube, which means you may need to pay a small amount of money. But once you have a premium service, you can download videos, yours and including other people's. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.